Hello friends, this is Deb with Home Cooking is for the Birds. We're just going to jump right into this recipe. I have been craving some squash. Let's make a squash casserole. So I've got 5 cups of squash that I cut up. I put them in a medium pan, and now I'm going to add half of a yellow onion diced. Add about 3 inches of water to the pot. I think I ended up adding 1 cup of water to this. You don't want a lot of water, just enough to keep it from scorching, but we are going to cook this on low to medium heat for about 20 minutes or until your squash are soft. Don't overcook them because they'll be mushy. And then we're going to pour it into a strainer and we're going to let that sit because you want to make sure you get out as much water as possible out of that squash. Now let's go ahead and set our oven for 350 degrees. Let's preheat that. While it's preheating, grab a 9x13 baking dish and add a half a stick of butter in it. Then go ahead and put that in the oven to melt. And then in a bowl, we are going to add about 3/4 cup of mayo. Add 2 eggs. And this ingredient is what really makes this casserole come to life. Add a 4-ounce can of green chilies and make sure to drain the liquid off of them. Now once we've got all the water drained off of our squash, we're just going to put that in this mixture. Now let's give this a really good mix, and we've got more ingredients that we're going to put in here, so hang in there with me. Now we are going to add about 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. You can even use mozzarella cheese in this casserole if you would like. I do that sometimes. I thought about putting pepper jack in it, but I wasn't sure how that would taste. I think it might taste good, but I might have to try that one day. But anyways, back to the recipe. I'm squirreling. At this point, your butter should be melted. Also, one other note on this video, I did add salt and pepper to taste, and I like to add lots and lots of pepper to this one. You did not see me do that because for some reason that didn't get on my video. And now once you've got it in your 9x13 baking dish, you're just going to top this. You can use Ritz crackers. I'm using breadcrumbs that I like to make at home that are made from whole grain bread. You can drop that on top, or you can do mozzarella cheese and make it very low carb, or you don't even have to top it at all. Now I'm setting my timer for 30 minutes. Although I did cook this for 40 minutes, you want to cook it until it starts bubbling around the edges, and voila, 30 to 40 minutes later, this is ready to be served. And y'all, we love squash casserole around here. I have several different recipes for this, but this one is our favorite. I hope y'all enjoy this and y'all be good.